2. Now I'm going to start with showing you the fish one first because that one's a little bit easier. You're going to start off with one full sheet of paper. The first thing you're going to do is fold up from the bottom to the top. Then you're going to line up the edges and then smush it down so it's perfectly folded in half. Then you're going to take the top half and fold this part down so that it touches the crease along the bottom. So I'm going to do that right here. And this is where we're going to draw our picture first. So I'm going to use a marker just so that you guys can see it more clearly, but it'll probably make more sense for you to use a pencil, especially the first time you do this. So in case you make mistakes, you can erase it. Now, this little fold is really important. That's where we're going to want to put the mouth. If we put the mouth somewhere else, then this whole picture doesn't work out. So I'm actually going to start with the little top lip of my fish here, just so that I remember that that's where his mouth will be. And then I'm going to draw a large sort of semicircle right here. And then I'm going to do the bottom half of the lip right here on the fold. Okay. And then the other part of my semicircle on the bottom. We can make them touch. At this point, I'm going to want to put the eye above the fold. And you can make your eye look any way that you want to. I'm going to leave a little light spot there to just make it look like a reflection. And then I'm going to put my gills going right here. You can choose to keep those off if you'd like to. Then I'm going to put the fins right on top. Now you can make your fins different than mine. You can be creative with this. I'm going to add a bottom fin down here. I can also go ahead and add the tail now over here. And I'm going to want the tail to be more of a straight line. Now that I have the basics of the fish done, I can open this up and fill in these gaps. So to make it look like the mouth is continuous, I'm going to go from here, bring it in, and make sure it comes down and touches the mouth on this side. Then over here, I want to continue the body as well. So I'm going to keep bringing this down like this, and then extend this straight line all the way to touch the other part. At this point, I can go ahead and start decorating my fish a little bit more and also adding other details. I can also use what we learned before about showing the illusion of depth and make some objects look like they're far away and some objects look like they're close. So I'm going to add a ground line over here and maybe make some really small seaweed right up here. And then maybe as it comes closer, I would have much larger seaweed. At this point, you can go ahead and color it if you'd like to. It actually look much better if you color it, or just leave it how it is and make a different one as well. Now, I'm also going to show you how to make an alien one too, because that's kind of fun.